Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert negative circle number in Excel. For this, you need to insert the unichar formula. For this, you need to put the equal sign and type unichar and open the bracket and type the code 10102 and close the bracket. And here you can see that. If you want to insert the 2, then you need to change the code to 3. And if you want to insert the 3, then change the code to 4. So every time you have to change the code like this one. So if you want the automatic negative circle numbers in Excel, then you need to use this formula. For example, you need to put the equal sign, type unichar and open the bracket and type 10100 space plus space row, open the bracket, select the cells reference, close the bracket and close the bracket to complete the formula and here and drag the formula to the other values like this one. So here you don't need to change the character code every time like this one. So this way you can easily insert black circle number in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.